Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my July Birchbox. Inside we have a card. This month we challenge you to spend an extra 2 minutes applying body lotion after a shower. That's something I used to always do and then I got away from it and I have such dry skin. So I need to start doing that again. I got a list of products here. I'm going to set that aside. And here's my box. So the first item I'm pulling out, XXX Magnum Mascara by Stila. That is an interesting little container for mascara, and it kind of looks full size, looks thick. Let me go ahead and open it so I can check out the wand. Okay, maybe it is a sample. It just seems like chunky or like big for a sample, but the wand is very thick. Pretty interesting. It says it retails for $23. I like the packaging though, it looks like lipstick. Then from Floss, My Everyday Eyeshadow. Never tested on animals. Tokyo is the shade. That's what that looks like, and that's a pretty big amount of eyeshadow. Also have in here a Luxie brush. I have lots of those. I like that brand. Also have Dr. Pawpaw Tinted Peach Pink Balm. It says it's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Fragrance free. I've never heard of that or that brand. Let's see if it has any. I'm squeezing, I don't want it to come flying out. Oh, okay. It's got a little hint of color to it. That actually matches the container. That's cool. Sorry if it got loud, my air conditioning just kicked on and it's like right behind me, so I'm almost done here, bear with me. This next one is My Hair, My Canvas New Becomings Exfoliated Cleanser with a botanical caviar. That sounds interesting. I've been getting a lot of, actually is this for, I'm confused now, let me look at this for a second. Okay, that's why I was confused, because I was like, is this a face cleanser? But then it says My Hair. So on here it says you can use it on your hair and body, which is very interesting to me. I don't think I've ever had anything like that before. Work into damp hair and apply to damp skin, then rinse thoroughly. And that retails full size for $30. So I'm excited to try that. That seems pretty expensive. But here are the other products that I got. And I've been subscribed for years with Birchbox and Ipsy. So if you're interested in those monthly unboxings, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And if you want to join, I have all their information below. Bye guys.